Hello there. Here is the latest discovery at Oak Island, where Rick Lagina made a big statement and said that we have find of the history. The Lagina brothers, Rick and Marty Lagina, have led some of the most extensive and well-documented explorations of the Oak Island money pit as featured on the History Channel series, The Curse of Oak Island. Since they began their quest, they have made several significant discoveries that have added to the intrigue and mystery of the site. Artifacts and historical items. The Lagina brothers have uncovered numerous artifacts, including old coins, pieces of pottery, and remnants of wooden structures. These items suggest human activity on the island dating back several centuries. 19th century coins. Among the more notable finds are coins from the 17th and 18th centuries, which lend credence to theories of early treasure deposits. Bone fragments. During one of their deep drilling operations, they discovered bone fragments. Testing revealed that these bones were of European and Middle Eastern origin, suggesting a diverse group of people might have been involved in the activities on the island. Templar cross. One of the more intriguing finds is a lead cross that some believe could be connected to the Knights Templar, a medieval Christian military order. This discovery fuels theories that the Templars might have hidden treasure or significant artifacts on the island. Structures and tunnels. The brothers have also identified several underground structures and tunnels that indicate extensive human engineering. This includes a mysterious stone roadway that might have been used to transport heavy objects to or from the island. Ancient tools. They have found tools that could date back to the time of the original excavation, including pickaxes and other mining equipment. Coconut fibers. Coconut fibers, which are not native to Nova Scotia, were found in Smith's Cove. These fibers were historically used in construction and shipping, suggesting the possibility of foreign visitors or influences. Roman sword. A controversial discovery claimed by some researchers involves a Roman sword, suggesting the possibility of ancient transatlantic contact, although this claim remains debated. The Lagina brothers' discoveries have deepened the mystery of Oak Island rather than solved it, providing tantalizing clues that suggest a long and complex history of human activity but leaving the ultimate question of what lies at the bottom of the money pit still unanswered. Their efforts have continued to capture the imagination of viewers and treasure hunters worldwide, keeping the legend of Oak Island alive. The Lagina brothers' explorations on Oak Island have unveiled a series of fascinating discoveries and ongoing mysteries that continue to captivate enthusiasts and researchers. Beyond the headline-grabbing finds, their meticulous investigations have brought several other significant elements to light. 1. Stone pathways and wharf structures. Excavations in Smith's Cove revealed a complex system of stone pathways and wharf structures, suggesting extensive and sophisticated construction efforts by past visitors. These features indicate that Oak Island was once a hub of significant maritime activity. 2. Inscribed stones and symbols. Various inscribed stones have been uncovered, including one with peculiar carvings that some believe could be a form of code or ancient script. These symbols add layers to the puzzle, hinting at hidden messages or guidance for treasure seekers. 3. Flood tunnels. Evidence of artificial flood tunnels, designed to thwart treasure hunters by filling the money pit with seawater, has been corroborated by the Lagina team's explorations. These sophisticated systems highlight the lengths to which the original builders went to protect whatever lies below. 4. Swamp discoveries. The swamp area on Oak Island has yielded several intriguing finds, including wooden stakes and a ship's plank. Theories abound that the swamp might conceal the remnants of a sunken ship or other significant artifacts related to the island's mysteries. 5. Human bones. The discovery of bones from different ethnic origins in the depths of the money pit suggests that people from diverse backgrounds may have been involved in the island's early activities, potentially hinting at international intrigue or collaboration. 6. Metal objects and artifacts. Numerous metal objects have been found during the digs, including a medieval-looking iron spike and various tools, which point to the advanced technological capabilities of the island's earlier visitors. 7. Gold and other precious metals. Traces of gold and other precious metals have been detected in the water samples taken from boreholes, reinforcing the belief that valuable treasure might indeed be buried somewhere on the island. 8. Old ship scantlings. Pieces of old ship timber and iron spikes were found, which might suggest that parts of a ship were dismantled and used in construction or buried intentionally on the island. 9. Ancient pottery shards. Pottery shards found on the island date back to various periods, suggesting a long history of human presence and activity. Some pieces are believed to be from the 1600s or earlier. 10. Oak Island drilling projects. Extensive core drilling has revealed layers of disturbed earth, supporting theories that extensive digging occurred centuries ago, possibly to create secret vaults or hiding places. 11. Ox shoes. The discovery of ox shoes, used for working oxen in hauling heavy loads, indicate significant and organized labor efforts, supporting theories of substantial construction or excavation projects. These discoveries by the Lagina brothers and their team underscore the complexity and depth of Oak Island's enigma. Each find, from artifacts to geological anomalies, adds a piece to the historical puzzle, suggesting a rich tapestry of human endeavor, possibly spanning centuries. Despite the numerous finds and theories, the ultimate treasure or purpose of the Oak Island money pit remains elusive, maintaining its status as one of the world's most intriguing and enduring mysteries. Certainly, the Oak Island money pit and the surrounding areas have yielded even more intriguing discoveries and led to the development of numerous theories, adding to the legend and mystery of the site. Here are additional noteworthy findings and aspects of the ongoing exploration. 12. The 90-foot stone, an infamous inscribed stone reportedly found at a depth of 90 feet, has long been part of Oak Island lore. The stone's markings have been variously interpreted, with some translations suggesting a cryptic message about treasure buried deep below. Although the original stone has been lost, its legacy persists through recorded accounts and ongoing debates about its significance. 13. The Chapel Vault. In 1897, the Chapel brothers, while drilling in the money pit, encountered what they believed to be a cement vault at a depth of 153 feet. They retrieved samples containing bits of gold chain, fueling speculations that the vault might contain treasure. However, subsequent excavations failed to relocate the vault, adding to the mystery. 14. Cofferdam structures. The Lagina brothers and their team have constructed and utilized cofferdam structures to excavate areas previously submerged by tidal waters. These efforts have revealed more wooden structures and artifacts buried in Smith's Cove, suggesting deliberate construction efforts to protect something valuable. 15. Possible shipwreck evidence. Explorations in the swamp area have led to the discovery of what appears to be ship timbers and ship-related artifacts. This has fueled theories that a ship might have been deliberately sunk in the swamp to hide treasure or evidence of historical significance. 16. Underground anomalies. Advanced scanning and drilling technologies have identified several underground anomalies, including voids and tunnel-like structures. These findings suggest the existence of man-made cavities and tunnels that could potentially lead to hidden chambers or vaults. 17. Mysterious wooden U-shaped structure. Unearthed in Smith's Cove, this structure has puzzled researchers. It appears to be an ancient wooden construction that some believe could be part of an elaborate flood trap system or a remnant of early construction efforts to hide or retrieve treasure. 18. Pieces of parchment. In 1897, drill core samples brought up pieces of parchment with writing on them from deep within the money pit. This find has led to speculation about hidden manuscripts or documents, potentially of great historical significance. 19. Human activity dating back centuries. Various carbon dating results and artifact analyses have indicated human activity on Oak Island dating back several centuries, including evidence of both indigenous peoples and later European settlers. 20. Theories of Masonic connections. Some researchers and treasure hunters propose that the layout and construction methods observed on Oak Island reflect Masonic symbols and practices, suggesting that Freemasons might have played a role in the island's mysteries. 21. Magnetic anomalies. Surveys have detected unusual magnetic anomalies in certain areas of the island, indicating the presence of large metallic objects buried underground, which could potentially be treasure or old construction materials. 22. Roman numerals and symbols. Stones and artifacts bearing Roman numerals and other symbols have been found, suggesting the possibility of coded messages or navigational markers used by those who buried the treasure. 23. Historical records and maps. the Lagina team has uncovered and analyzed old maps and documents, some of which suggest that early explorers, including the Portuguese and the Spanish, might have had knowledge of Oak Island and its hidden secrets. 24. DNA testing on artifacts. Modern DNA testing on found artifacts, including the bone fragments, has provided insights into the origins of the people who might have been involved in the activities on Oak Island, hinting at a broader, more global connection to the mystery. These extensive discoveries and the meticulous documentation of each finding have contributed to a rich tapestry of evidence and speculation. The Oak Island Money Pit remains one of the most compelling and enigmatic archaeological and treasure hunting sites in the world, with the Lagina brothers and their team at the forefront of uncovering its secrets. Despite the many revelations, the ultimate purpose and contents of the Money Pit continue to elude definitive discovery, perpetuating its legendary status.